Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer crypto from Crypto.com to Exodus wallet. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. So now to start, go to your favorite web browser and then search for how to transfer crypto from Crypto.com to Exodus wallet. And then you can see the different options. But we have to focus on the first option. Now just click on this one. It will then direct you here. How do I transfer from Crypto.com to Exodus? So the first thing that you want to do is to go to Crypto.com and then tap on Login. After that, tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on Wallet. And then select the asset you wish to withdraw. And then tap on Withdraw. Next, you have to select the external wallet address. And then you just have to continue the process. And then lastly, you have to confirm your withdrawal. And that's it. If you have a question regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.